Well, hello, hello, hello. Mail call. This came in earlier today, and it's just now that I am able to actually stop, take a breath, and shoot the video for this. I've been at it since I got up this morning getting my area here ready because my boss came today and brought a new printer because I'm going to take over printing for work. And so I had to rearrange the whole desk so that I could get this big old laser printer, to fit here. And it's been craziness. And then we are leaving tonight or to go to my sister's, and tomorrow we're off to Utah for the weekend for a wedding. And I'm like, I had so much to do, and I had to work on the garden. We'll take care of a bunch of things. I shot a little bit of video, so you guys will be probably seeing that in the this weekend. I'll upload it. But I wanted to share this with you because this is from Paper Wizard. I don't know, some of you who are familiar with the expo will be familiar with Eric and Bonnie from Paper Wizard. I love them to death. I've actually worked their booth. I've assisted Bonnie in one of her classes, if I'm not wrong. And they're just fabulous people, and I love their stuff. So I belong to the PKC, their Paper Kit Club. So this is, I don't know if this is just this month's, because I think I ordered both kits, but this may also be Vault, because they had a Vault sale. They opened up the Vault, and they do it once a year, and they bring back either stuff that for a reason it didn't sell, or just stuff that people have requested to come back. I'm actually hoping this is my Vault. I was not expecting it this soon, to be perfectly honest. But whatever it is, I wanted to share it with you guys because their stuff, their kits are just fabulous. I love them to death. I at least wanted to touch them and pet them and look at them and then go pack, because I haven't even started to pack. I know what I'm taking, but I haven't packed it. So let's see what this is. Oh, yep, this is my Vault order. Yay! I'm so excited. So let me share it with you. These are all previous Paper Wizard monthly kit club kits. So it's nothing else you can get to see if you do opt in. I will link you down below to information on how to join their club. I believe, if I'm not wrong, I forget now, but it's like, I think $26.99 per kit, plus the shipping. And they will have the main kit, and then they will have a secondary in case you don't like the obvious main kit. This month it was, I can't remember what it was, but I know that the secondary one was about being vaccinated. I know that I got both kits. So you have the option. And if you do the main kit, the secondary kit will be cheaper. I think it's like $20.99. So they give you a bit of a break on the price. So it is, well, I mean, to me, their kits are well worth it. They're all laser cut and amazing quality. So let's go through what I got. First one up, chilling with my gnomies, because I have a thing for gnomes. So, and this is one I missed because I was in the club, and then I got out of it for a while, and now I've come back into it, and I love their stuff. So their kits come with everything. You have a picture, but you also have access to the kit club group. I want to make it, that thing should be close enough for you guys to see. I don't want to make it so you can't see anything. But you can see there'll be pictures that are posted, even of other people's interpretation of the same thing, because you have the option here. You have that little picture here. I can bring it up close so at least you can see that of the kit itself. And here is one, of course, in the instructions. Or you can go into left field and do your own thing. And I've seen some people do their own interpretations, but you have every piece you need to put this kit together. All laser cut, just really cool quality. I mean, as far as I'm concerned, well worth what you pay for it. And these are kits that I had missed, so I'm excited that I got them. So first off, again, was chilling with my gnomies, because I love gnomes. It's one of my things. I have so many things. And then this one is a birthday classic. And I got this of anticipation for next year, because next year it's a big one. We are not going to go into how big it is, but yeah, it's big. I'm getting old, people. But anyway, I'm anticipating this because, of course, we don't get older. We're just classics. And I love this. So they had actually a pink and purpley female one. I didn't like that much. I like this one. So it has the jukebox and just all of these really cool 50s style thing. and that's closing in on how old I'm going to be. So I just really jazzed. So this really spoke to me. So I got this one because I'm like, yep, gotta get this. It'll be, and I'll scrap pictures for next year. So I'm gonna save it for next year, for next year's birthday. Next is one of the ones is Coronavirus 2020. I wanted to get this because no matter what we want to talk about this and everything in the last year and what we've been through, I still think that we need to memorialize it. We need to remember it because, and try to learn lessons from it, because what if we forget, we lose the lessons, and we should always remember and hopefully take away some things from it. And not, it's, everyone wants to talk about all the horrible things and the toilet paper shortage and the stores being like empty. I've never seen anything like it. The lockdown, people losing their jobs. I mean, we made it a long time until ultimately even affected Steve, and Steve lost his job. So thank the Lord, though, he's been, that he has found work. So we're back at it. We're not out of the woods yet, but he'll be starting up, and that helps. But so we've been blessed. I personally believe we've been blessed that we didn't went this long without it affecting us in that way. But anyway, I felt I wanted to get this because I didn't want to forget. And good things came out of it. I mean, Zoom meetings and things of that nature. My girlfriends, there's about 5 of us that always scrap together at the expo. We have seen each other, gotten together to scrapbook and crop together on Zoom more often than we've done when before the pandemic. So there's good things that have come from my garden, which I guess it takes me away from my scrapping, but I'm enjoying it. Today, I had the yummiest, crunchiest salad that I have ever had, and it was butter crunch lettuce, fresh. I mean, freshly picked from my garden, and Bing cherries, tomatoes that were so yummy. And so this all came because of the pandemic. So I think that good things come. You can make it what you want, but I don't want to forget. I want to remember. So here we go. And I have pictures. Oh yes, the great paper toy. I mean, I took pictures of stuff when it first broke out and all the shortages on the stores. My sister, my brother-in-law were on a cruise ship. That it was one of the cruise ships that got diverted. So they got stuck on their boat for about 3 extra days. So I was sending them pictures like, guys, man, it's like Armageddon out here. Because I was house sitting. I was babysitting my niece and my mom for them while they were gone. But anyway, so we have this kit, which is Coronavirus. So I have a 2-pager, so another one. But look at how cool. I mean, I just love the quality and just how crisp and just awesome. So I'm really excited to get this one done. And then the next one is another Know Me one. So this one is Choose Love No Matter What. This is obviously a Valentine one, or whatever you want to say, or just love. And, and I'm a relative newlywed, although this is my second marriage. But it is Steve's or Peanut Gallery's first. So we've only been married. We'll be going on 3 years this August. So, we're still in that, oh, we're old people and we're like, oh, but here it is. So this is, again, all the pieces, and I have this really, and I think it was cute. And again, I love gnomes. You cannot go wrong with gnomes with these, and I love them. All you see is beard and big old nose. I love it. So I'm really jazzed. I really go, yes, I have to have that one. Okay. And then this is the last one I got. This one is the one that they said, I believe they will not bring back again. And it is the snow globe one. So it has there's 3 snow globes here. Let me see. I'm going to open this one up just so that I can bring the Magic of Christmas snow globe one. But I'm going to pull this out just so that you can see. But so you can at least get a feel for it. But there's 3 snow globes. And I mean, it's 3D. So it has the acetate and even the shaky stuff, so that you can shake it up if you want. I don't know how you're going to do it, but still you can, to make these snow globes. So all of these pieces, I'm like, yes, I must have this. So I got it because they have said that this was it. That's it. No more, not ever again. So don't hate me because I'm showing this to you because you can't get it. But let me share with you in case you have never are unfamiliar with Paper Wizard or what their kits look like assembled. This is one that I've already done, and I'm gonna break it out. of it. I have not, put pictures in it yet, but it's game night. And we have regular game nights here. So it's for sure, it was a really good one for us to do. And so family game night. So here it is put together. So if if you look at it, it's very reminiscent of Chutes and Ladders, and you've got your little peoples here. I'm going to zoom back out a little bit more. There you go. So you guys can get the full, 2-page feel of it. But it has even the spinner. Look at that. The spinner spins. Okay, people. It's really, really cute. I have this one, probably should be right here. Obviously it's come off. I do this so I know how big to cut my picture inside of it. So really, really cool. And on this one, they saved me. And this is the kind of people they are. I forget what it was. And I think it was on here. On this title, I blew the 10 of hearts, that card. I glued the piece backwards. Or I forget what I did. It was like, I couldn't believe I had done that. So I sent them an email and said, do you happen to have the pieces? I'll pay for it. Not a problem. Oh my gosh. Within days, they sent me, didn't charge me, but sent me the piece that I had messed up because I'm an idiot. And I confess, I said, hey, I'm an idiot. So these people, it's a family run business. They believe in customer service. And that's huge with me. So I'm telling you guys, if you're thinking about joining a club and you're a scrapbooker and not just a card maker, this is a kit club that you probably want to join. I mean, it's painstaking. You don't slam this stuff together quickly, okay? Trust me on this. But it's worth the time that you take in putting this together. So I just want to share with you. So that is my haul for today. I will share this. You guys will be seeing this over the weekend while I'm away in Utah at the wedding. And I will be back next week with more videos. I already have a couple of projects in my hands. So thank you so much, guys. I cannot honestly say thank you enough for taking the time to hang out with me and still come back and still be subscribed to my channel. I'm beyond humbled, and it means a lot that you guys hang with me. And I really want to say a heartfelt thank you, and for the comments, and for the likes, and for the subscription. It means a lot as somebody who doesn't always know what she's doing, but loves to share the insanity. And it is. I mean, I know that I'm not everybody's cup of tea, and I'm not like a lot of the YouTubers out there that actually do know what they're doing. But I love to share, and I figure in my trials and tribulations, you guys will take a sense of, hey, it's not just me. I would like to think that I am not the only YouTube card making, scrapbooking screw up out there. But I love it. I love sharing. I love what I do. It's a balancing act for me right now between this and the garden and looking after my mom and looking after Steve's mom and I work full time. Did I mention that? But anyway, thank you so much for hanging out with me, guys. I mean, I cannot say it enough. Otherwise, and so on that note, for the rest of us, you guys know the drill. If you enjoy watching my videos, if you've enjoyed watching all the goodies I got today from Paper Wizard, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. That will help me with with YouTube and algorithms and other people to see who might want to not know about Paper Wizard, and this might come up now because of that. And again, if you want to see, and this is your first time, hi, thanks for coming and hanging out with me. It doesn't get better than this, okay? I'm a nut. I'm just warning you. But by all means, subscribe if you want to see more of this. And it stopped on me, so I'm hoping that's funny. It just stopped automatically. That was really weird. Anyway, so again, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. By all means, please just go ahead and hit subscribe, and then ding the bell, and you know when I'm back. And I will be back. I promise you, I'll be doing more stuff. So otherwise, go ahead, enjoy your weekend. It's a Friday evening. I'm hoping that maybe you're watching this while you're working on a project, and go ahead and get your scrap on and make a card or work on your page, whatever it is that fills your soul with that creativity, okay? Enjoy it, soak it up, and love it, and share your passion and your gift with other people, okay? And don't forget, if you ever shoot a video, make sure your card is empty. Apparently I filled mine up, but anyway, so don't ever forget, of course, I'm proof positive. We're all a little mad here. Okay, so scrap the madness. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.